Hey, it's Mickey with Free Roaming Photography, and right now you can see right there I've got a little Downy Woodpecker pecking on the tree looking for food. So I am not going for still shots. I might try one if I can get close enough. I don't want to startle it, but what I'm also doing is trying to get some video, some slow motion video of how fast it is pecking at that tree. And the reason I don't want to get too many still shots is because you can tell from the lighting it's very harsh. So if I can't get close enough, I'm going to get a lot of those bright highlights right behind it and on the sides of the tree, kind of distracting from it. So if I do try a still shot, the best option for this might be going vertical and seeing if I can eliminate the sides of the tree altogether. And in the meantime, also getting some video of it, and definitely want to do that before it starts getting too high. Okay, so as you could see, I could get the still shots. I was close enough, and I made sure I was not startling it, because you never want to startle wildlife or affect their behavior. But it did come out really nice, because with the vertical I was able to eliminate the sides of the tree, which you could see from the video were incredibly bright and almost to a certain point distracting. But you know, when you're shooting video and your intended target is not Instagram or a short or something like that, then really you have to shoot horizontal, especially if you're doing photography and videography and you hope to use it for commercial purposes. Then that's pretty much your only option. So for video, I had to get the sides in, and there wasn't much way around it. But I shot a whole bunch of the verticals, trying to get its head turned enough so that you could see it and you could kind of connect with the eye. And a lot of times that's what you want to do, is you want to essentially wait until the animal, or the bird in this case, has turned around so that the eye is visible and that you can connect with it, because that's kind of the main thing that everybody looks for. So yeah, a short and sweet little lesson. I hope you found that helpful. Y'all have a great day. Love you.